All right, so if we get around this way, it is very bright out here today. Out back near the barn, we have the proverbial beater with a heater. It was gifted to me last year. I put a battery in it to get it here. Will it start? I doubt it. Will it start with my new battery pack for doing jump starts? I expect it will. We're gonna find out. I think we'll open the gate, pull the truck in there, and see what we can do. There are 99 and 1/2 reasons why that vehicle may choose not to start. I can think of a couple. Bad gasoline that's been there for over a year, bad wiring, any number of things that was done to that vehicle before it was gifted to me. So here's my logic in testing. If I go out there and I put the key in and it just goes click and does nothing, if we put the battery back up on there to give it a jump start and it tries to turn over but fails, that means the jump start pack works. How about that? All right, the truck always looks clean to the naked eye. Camera will pick up anything that's not. I do like this, it's pretty snaz. And right now, we're gonna put this in deep snow mode. And then we're gonna go do the things. Leather. Yeah, I like my new truck. That is pretty much what I expected, or just a click. Negative terminal, positive terminal. We'll plug it into the battery unit here in a moment and give it a shot. Okay, so the GOOLOO, I don't know if you can see, is currently at 98%. All right, I've got the GOOLOO plugged in and connected. When we turn it on, 98%. I'm gonna hit boost. First time I've ever done it. Press and hold. And it says ready. Okay, so that obviously didn't go quite as expected. I figured we'd go click and get nothing after that, which is of course what we got. Then I put the battery on. It did a little more than click. It turned over once and then it didn't want to do it anymore. My presumption is that battery is completely dead. Now, if I'd left it there with the boost turned on, maybe it would have started later, maybe not. The appropriate answer with a battery of that condition is to pull it out of the vehicle and put it on a charger overnight. And, you know, that's just what it is. I still consider this to be a success because the engine did turn over.